Hi guys, it's September 20 and we are at the airport on our way to Boracay. This is around 5 a.m. and our flight is scheduled at 6:45 a.m. First time din naming lahat makapunta sa Boracay kaya we are all very excited.
11 bound for technical.
Mama, hindi natakot. Yabang.
Bitingin pa nga ako.
Ayan, nagpahuli talaga kaming bumaba ng plane para makapagpa-picture kami sa loob ng airplane nang walang masyadong passengers. Oh. We also booked a land transfer service from the airport to the hotel and back and forth. Since may kasama tayong bata at 3 seniors, mas less hassle ito kahit na mas pricey compared sa DIY. So all we did is just to wait habang nakapila siya sa mga ticketing, and then ginaguide niya na lang kami kung saan kami sasakay at kung saan kami uupo.
From 1 to 8 po tayo.
The boat transfer only took around 10 minutes, including the waiting time na mapuno yung boat. Hindi pa to, be. Excited ka, be? So, kakababa lang ng boat. Tagal naman ni Daddy.
Tagal ni Daddy, ano ba yan?
Eh, si Papang. Sino? Ay, ito pala si Papang. Uy, yabang nga. Wala nagkakiyang-kiyang nga. Then you need to take another ride from the port to the hotel. Our hotel is at Mandarin Nest and check-in time is at 3 p.m. But we arrived early. This is around 9 a.m. Bakit? Magpipicture ka? Bibidyo ako eh. That's a complimentary bracelet. Meron din complimentary drinks and face towel to freshen up. Unfortunately, the room is not available for early check-in, so we went to the hotel's restaurant, which is the Hakuna Matata restaurant, and took our brunch instead. The aftermath. Huling-huli ka, kumakain ka ng cake. Bawal ka sa matamis. They have 20% discount if you're booked to Mandarin Nest, and also a complimentary cakes for our celebrants. We started our land tour at 1 p.m. and first stop is the Mangrove Park. Hello, Shoti! Gutom na ikaw. Uy! Hindi na nakapag-video, but these are the pictures for New Coast Beach, Ilig-Iligan Beach, and Puka Beach. The land tour will end at Bulabog Beach, where we will do the helmet diving, because during Habagat season, this is where all water activities are being held. Unfortunately, I was not able to join them kasi bawal daw ang mga may high blood at bagong opera at least 1 to 2 years. Pero hanapin niyo ako dyan. Kasama nila ako dyan sa frame na yan.
Sabihin mo si nainggit. Nainggit lang. Nainggit lang. Sige na, baba.
Around 4:45 p.m. we went back to the hotel for late check-in. At ayan, naabutan namin ang viral dancing crew ng Mandarin Nest. Room tour! Oh, ano yun? May ano?
May letter.
May love letter for me?
No. There, guys. Hindi ko pa ito na-open. Ito niya.
Happy birthday, Francis. Mandarin Nest. At bininyagan na nga po ang mga kape na complimentary. At nabinyagan na rin po ang higaan. Opo. Happy birthday! Then, we all have our provided sleepers.
And then we're here in the bathroom. We have
Then we
robes.
have robes. Ano to? Can
Hair
you open
dryer.
that one? Ah, hair dryer.
Because it says...
Eh, ito. Ano to?
Ew!
towels.
Yeah.
And then what's that? Oh, vanity
Vanity
kit.
kit.
Shower cap. Soap.
Shaving
Shaving kit.
So excited.
Feeling ko wooden siya.
Yeah. Oh, it's
No, it's cute.
ooh, it's cute.
Bamboo. Next.
Next is shaving kit.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be, of course,
Yeah.
for shaving. And see, it's the same.
Bamboo kinemero. Oh, next.
Oh, there's more.
Shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
Brush. May
Yeah.
toothpaste.
This is mine. Just small toothpaste.
Okay. Okay, next. This is yours.
Vanity
Vanity
kit.
kit?
I think
Ano
this
kaya
will be
yan?
something in makeup or skincare.
Pang wipe.
Whoa, pang shave?
Ano to?
Ay, pang wax?
No, pang
Pang
nail
ganun.
trimmer.
And, ano?
Cotton sa
makeup
face.
cleaner.
Yeah.
Mirror.
My lotion.
There's a soap too.
Yeah. And my... Ano ba yan? Nasaan yung... Saan ako dadaan? May shampoo at conditioner. Yay! Meron na ng mga freebie. Hindi namin naabutan yung freebie ng 3:30 and 4:30 kasi nga nasa land tour kami. But naabutan namin yung pang 6 p.m. Walking ng gabi sa Boracay. Hanap kami ng dinner. We decided to walk along the beach from Station 2, from where Mandarin Nest is, to Station 3, going to Subo Restaurant. Reservation. Ana Aquino. Tulungan mo muna si Papang ng tsinelas niya, tanggalin mo para hindi na yumuko.
Ay, salamat.
Good morning! Lumabas na kayo. Breakfast na tayo. Good morning!
Worship na kami, mama niyo.
Ay, kaya pala aga niya nagising. 2:02 sila. Kami 2:05. Magkadapit lang naman. So, ito kami. 2:05 and 2:02. Come on, it's locked. What do you need?
My slippers.
Okay na yan. Look at what I'm wearing. It's just the same. So, dito yung lobby ng hotel. Mandarin Nest. Yes, it's breakfast. And then the way through the exit and the restaurant. Hakuna Matata.
Matata. Ano?
Hakuna Matata. Look at the cereal. Room. Ano tayo? Bakit?
This pancake.
Room. So, breakfast buffet. Mandarin is breakfast buffet. So, perfect pala kay Papa nga. Puro salad. Baka mamaya hindi niya. Ay, 202 kama sila, 202. Oh, fresco. Hot chocolate. Yeah. Nakapang-swimsuit ka na, guy. Di ka pa nag-breakfast, guy. You want bread? Ano yun? Ayan, oh, may pancake. Oh,
There's a
perfect.
bowl there.
O, di ko na yun. What do I want?
You want to?
Uy, may egg.
The cereal?
Yes. Oh. Sige, you get. Ikutin mo lang. Bilisan mo kasi nasa daanan, anak. Diyan, and then, kaya mo yung milk? Okay na yan? This one, fresh milk.
Sige. Fresh milk. Oh my gosh.
Sorry. Ay, sorry. Gaano kadami?
Yum.
Okay na?
Yum. Yum.
Or milk. Oh, onti lang ha. Careful. Make sure to finish it, ha? Sige, go. Sige lang. Dagdag pa pa kung kaya mo. Basta yung mauubos mo. Oh, can you bring it with 2 hands? Swimming ka na. Lagot ka kay Lolo. Saan kayo punta? Gala kayo ng gala, ah.
Masarap yung pwesto ni Papang na, just nakabiro.
Good luck. After breakfast, we decided to go back to Bulabog Beach para dun kami maligo sa dagat. Iniwanan na namin si Papang sa main beach or sa front beach kasi hindi niya na kaya maglakad-lakad. Unfortunately, after taking these photos, biglang bumuhos ang malakas na ulan. Oh. Ate! Kuya! Wave! Ate! Achi! Malamig? Mababaw lang? Tayo ka nga? Ede, wow. Magagalit ka? Ayaw niya ng ano. Ayaw niya to.
Ayaw mo yan?
O, di wag. Gusto mo nakikita yung kalbo mo? Pag na-sunburn na naman yung kalbo mo. Oy, naka-swimsuit ka lang, di ka naman naga-swimming. Dito na kami nagpalipas ng oras until our checkout time, which is 12 noon. Siyempre, Jollibee pa rin. Bida pa rin ang Jollibee sa Boracay. Uwi na kami. Tempo Travel and Tours. Okay. Waiting na kami. Pabalik na sa boat. Bye-bye, Boracay. Bye-bye. Tumansik sa mukha mo. Kaya siguro. Wait lang, ang dalawang lola. Utuin nyo yan.
Mabilisan lang ito. Para na mapalitan ka din ang kanyang tiyan.
Utuin nyo yan.
Bakit may maingay pala dito sa likod? May maingay dito. Basta hindi lang iiyak. No? Ayan na!